service here is so amazing. The quality is so good, beautiful. The texture, everything about it, beautiful. Nice place to be.
This is my third time here. Customer service is great. They respond quickly. Great quality hair. Shop with TedHair, guys.
I love the customer service. The quality of the hair is great, and it's amazing. Just everything about this place is just amazing.
How are you?
I'm good.
And is that your first time to come here?
No, this is like my fourth or fifth time coming here.
Okay.
The quality of the hair is amazing.
Okay.
The lace is perfect.
Okay.
The baby hairs are pre-fluffed. It's so full and nice.
Okay.
This is the best place to come get your hair.
Okay.
Shop at Fairfax.
Do you think we'll be back here?
Yes, I'll come here every month to place
Every
my
month.
order.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're
okay.
welcome.